Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of herbal teas to find natural relief from gas and bloating. Before we begin, I want to emphasize that the information provided in this video is for enlightenment and educational purposes only. Please consult your healthcare provider before incorporating any new herbal remedies into your routine, especially if you have specific health conditions or are pregnant. Let's start with the classic peppermint tea. This aromatic and refreshing tea contains menthol, which helps relax the muscles of your gastrointestinal tract, providing relief from gas and bloating. Next up, we have chamomile tea. Known for its calming properties, chamomile soothes an upset stomach, reduces inflammation, and eases bloating discomfort. Fennel tea is an age-old remedy for digestive issues. It contains anethol, which can relax the muscles in your digestive system, reducing gas and bloating. Ginger tea, a true superhero in the world of herbal remedies. Ginger aids digestion, reduces inflammation, and promotes the expulsion of gas, making it an excellent choice for relieving bloating. Dandelion root tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping your body eliminate excess water and reduce bloating caused by water retention. Lemon balm tea not only supports digestion, but also helps alleviate stress and anxiety, which can contribute to bloating. As a bonus, try combining peppermint and chamomile for a soothing and effective gas relief blend. This powerful duo can work wonders for your digestive comfort. Disclaimer: remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional before using herbal remedies, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have a medical condition, or take medications. Before you rush to try these herbal teas, let's talk about who should avoid them. If you're allergic to any of the ingredients or have specific health conditions like acid reflux or GERD, it's best to skip these teas or seek advice from a medical professional. Additional tip: if you're new to herbal teas, start with a small amount to see how your body responds. Remember, herbal teas are just one piece of the puzzle. To support a healthy digestive system, maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and engage in regular physical activity. I hope you found these herbal teas helpful on your quest for natural relief from gas and bloating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wellness tips and natural remedies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.